What's up, y'all? I was getting ready to make a video and then the doorbell rung and my dinner arrived from out back. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this video so I can just get it off my mind, get it in the video, and then poof, it'll be done. But I was sitting here before the doorbell rung and a notification came up for the nightly business report. So the nightly business report is gonna have a segment on there about the return of subprime mortgages. And I'm like, really? And I haven't watched it yet, so I can't wait to watch it. But I got to thinking about it, and I said, well, maybe there could be some good in this, even though it was a part of what brought on the real estate bubble and the crisis of 2008, 2009. It was only a small part of it now. There was a bunch of other stuff going on with derivatives and all the financial products that they put together. They packaged shit together. So it wasn't just about subprime mortgages. So I'm looking at subprime mortgages that could be a good thing, because now it's going to allow people who don't have the right credit score to qualify for a normal mortgage can go into a subprime one, which is going to have them at a higher interest rate. But it gets their foot in the door, and hopefully they'll start to fix their credit and get their credit good, and then refinance their mortgage, and then have a lower mortgage. But it gets their foot in the door, it gets them inside of a home, and it gets them controlling their housing costs. Because rent keeps going up. Rent keeps going up. I'm a landlord. I know. I pass it on to my tenants, because local government, when they raise taxes, I'm not going to absorb it. No, I'm not going to absorb it. I'm going to pass it on to my tenants. That's just the way it works. I didn't come into real estate as a landlord, as a small business owner, as an investor to be a charitable organization. There's no 501c3 after my name. Nothing. Okay? I'm here for profit. So they raise taxes, I raise rent. All right, you want to control your housing costs? Be a homeowner, because rent goes up. And then once you become a homeowner, you're gonna realize your property tax is gonna go up. Then who you gonna complain to? Right now you complain, oh, my landlord raised my rent, my landlord raised my rent. Guess what? Become a homeowner. Your property tax gonna go up. Who you gonna complain to then? The property tax collector? Just part of the process. All right, don't complain about the wrong things. Find something else to complain about. So I'm done with my video. I'm gonna go eat dinner, and I just had to get that off my chest, off my mind. And so y'all have a great evening. See ya. What's up, y'all? I'm here to make part 2 to my video. Part 2. Oh man, I finished eating dinner, and my steak was delicious. Just delicioso. Didn't need a knife. It was just, oh man, just delicious. Steak was great. The vegetables were great. The potato was great. The bread was great. Everything was just great. And I didn't have to go anywhere. Didn't have to go anywhere. God damn. Jeez. Didn't have to get dressed. Then it's raining outside. Didn't have to drive in the rain. I didn't have to get there and wait 45 minutes to be seated, and then wait another 30 minutes for my food, and then drive back home. Don't have to do dishes. Well, I do have dishes in there, but those are from the week. I'm going to do that tonight. But, man. Anyway, y'all didn't want to hear about my dinner. Y'all want to hear about part 2 of the video. So while I was eating dinner, I watched a short video on the nightly business report where they talk about subprime mortgages. And it's a good video, and I'm gonna put a link down in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook, then up above will be the link. So click on the link and you can watch the video. You can watch the video for yourself. You don't have to take my word for anything. You know, I'm just a guy making a video. You don't have to believe me. I just give my opinion. So, but in the video they said that the person is going to be Oh man, I lost my train of thought now. Oh, the person. Oh my god. So the person is not necessarily going to be at a higher interest rate just because it's going to be a subprime loan. There's going to be they mentioned around 4%, and I think 4% is around the current rate. Don't quote me on that. I haven't seen mortgage rate in a while. I had no need to look for them, but I think that's around what current mortgage rates are. So it's going to be pretty competitive. So that's a good thing. Bank of America is backing that. I kind of chuckled when I heard that Bank of America is going to be backing that because they were part of the thing that happened in 2008, 2009 with the bailout. So they got taxpayer dollars during that time period to bail out the people that they gave bad loans to. But hey, whatever. I was fortunate enough to buy stock in Bank of America and other financial institutions back at that time because I figured, I look at it like this, man. If the federal government is going to give banks loans to bail them out, why don't I go and invest and buy stocks in these same companies? And I was looking at it like this, so I can get my goddamn tax dollars back. Shoot, you giving them tax dollars to help them recover their banking system. So I went and bought banking stocks. And so as they improve, as they start to grow and grow in value, I'm reaping my doggone reward. That's just the way I think. That's just the way I think. Sorry. Um, so Bank of America is going to be part of the process in giving the loans. So they're going to have a competitive interest rate. This is the other thing. Zero down payment. Have a problem with that. I think you need to have some skin in this game. All right, when you're buying real estate, okay, you need to have some skin in the game. Um, you don't have to come in with the 20% down. You don't have to come in with 10% down. You don't have to come in with 5% down. Something more than zero, okay? Because this is why. Otherwise, you could just walk away. Let's say the market went down. The value of the house went down, and because you have no skin in the game, you can decide to walk away. Boom, here, bank, take the key back. I ain't got no skin in the game. You just walk away. But hopefully, these types of loans won't be a large portion of the bank's overall portfolio, which I'm quite sure it won't because they got regulations on them to um, be operating accordingly. So that'd be good for the potential homeowner. And something else I was going to say. Oh, and this is what's going to make it great because it's going to have this requirement. This requirement. Counseling. Counseling is going to be mandatory. It's going to be a requirement, which is great. So now you're going to go through counseling about being a homeowner, counseling about finances, which people just don't get. They just don't really understand the cost of being a homeowner. They really don't understand the finances around everything, just finances, period. So that's going to be a good thing, which is, yeah. So I think it's going to be a good program. A good program. Just because of that alone, it's going to be a good program for people who are going to need a subprime. So you come in, get a loan, you get a competitive rate loan, zero down payment, and you don't have a great credit score. So it's going to be pretty good, pretty good. Also, in the description or up above, there's going to be another link for a guy I like on YouTube who's going to talk about the new credit score. I say credit score. Who's going to talk about the new credit scoring model. All right, he's going to go in depth about that. I suggest you watch that video, or hell, you ain't got to watch this because I said it. Shit, I'm just making a video, man. I just make a video. You ain't got to do what I say. So he's going to talk in depth about the new credit scoring model. That's going to allow you to bring in how you handle your finances in other areas besides just paying off debt with credit cards or mortgages to impact your credit score. So watch the video. Just a suggestion. All right, I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm done. Y'all have a great evening. I got some other things to go do, make things happen. So peace out.